Welcome to our channel The Child. Today I am going to show an arithmetic activity, groups of tens. By this what I mean 20, 30, 40 till 90. Okay. For this we need a notebook like this. This is available in all stationery shops. If you ask for check math notebook, they will give you. Cut a long strip and from that you can cut it into two and you will get strip of 10 like this. Just that I have highlighted the color in between so that it will be much more visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so strip of 10. You need 45 such strips. The other option you can consider is golden bead bars. Actually this is now in grey color. The actual material is called golden bead bars. Okay, so you need 10 beads and you make a string using copper wire or a flexible wire which is easy to string these beads. The third option available is if you Google for golden bead bar material free printable, then you will get that free printable sheet which you can take, print out and then cut like this. So there are three options to make this material. So I always choose the easiest way. So here I have taken strips like this, paper strips. Even if you want it to be very stiff, you can paste it on a chart. So it depends on your time availability. Okay. So let's get into the presentation. Invite the child and ask the child to sit on your left and say that let's see more numbers or let's work on numbers, or you can say I will teach you more number names. Now ask the child, what is this? As you're introducing this material for the first time, the child may count and tell you, or even you can count and tell the child this is 10 or strip of 10. Now ask the child, how much is this? The child may say 2 tens. Now you can say we call 2 tens as 20, or you can say 2 tens are also called 20. Next, introduce 30. So now ask the child, how much is this? Okay, the child may say 3 tens. So then you say 3 tens are also called 30, or you can say 3 tens makes 30. So you can show like this till 90. If the child is it depends on the child. Okay, how many numbers you have to show at a time, it depends on the capacity of the child or the interest of the child. That is why Montessori always says follow the child. So now ask the child, how much is this? Then the child may say 4 tens. Then you can say 4 tens are also called 40, or 4 tens makes 40. Okay, now this is period 1, okay, where we have introduced the names so far. Shall we get into period 2 where we will give interesting commands? Now you can ask, where is 30? Show me 20. Okay, you can mix up the bars and ask the child to form 20, show me 30, like that. Okay, the type of commands you can make is up to you. You can give funny commands as well. The characteristic commands would be like, you can ask, how much is 30? Okay, where we expect the child to say 3 tens. You can reverse the command also. You can ask like, if I have 4 tens, how will you call 4 tens? Then the child may say 40. So you keep on giving interesting commands until the child shows if you feel that the child understood, if you feel that the child really consolidated the whole thing, then you can stop with period 2. Okay, so the characteristic command is how much is 30, asking like that and expecting the child to say 3 tens. Or you can reverse the question. What do we call 4 tens? What do we call 2 tens? So we expect the child to say 20, 30 like that. Now, shall we move on to period 3? Now ask, showing the particular quantity. So what do we call this? We expect the child to say 20. So what do we call this? We expect the child to say 30. And you can ask, so what do we call this? So the child will say 40. Okay, so whenever you are introducing terms to the child in a Montessori environment, we make use of 3-period name lesson. First period, you introduce the name. Second period, give lot of interesting commands so that there is a high chance for the child to comprehend, to consolidate. So by that way, the child will conform to himself. Okay, and the third period is ask the child what is this. So we expect the child, whatever we are introducing, we should hear that from the child's mouth. Okay, so we expect the child to say in the third period. I hope this activity is useful for you. So by this way, we are introducing the quantities for groups of tens, by which I mean 20, 30 till 90. So you can show this the same, you can repeat this activity till 90. Okay, if the child is very much interested, you can show everything in one stretch. If you feel the child needs more time, if you feel the child needs break, so it's up to you to decide. I will leave it to your discretion. Okay, so I will catch up in another video where we will show how to introduce the symbol for these quantities 20 to 90. So part 1 we showed quantity, part 2 we will show these symbols, part 3 we will show an activity where the child can associate the quantity with symbols. Okay, so this pattern of quantity, showing the quantity first, and then second showing the symbols, third part is showing associating the symbols with quantity. This pattern is constant with all the Montessori materials, especially in arithmetic. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in part 2.